Hey, I'm John. Welcome to Mr. G's Workbench. A quick Workbench update for January of 2023. Thanks for stopping in. Let me start off with an update on the Workbench status. We've got over 2,400 subscribers. Thank you all very much. I can't thank you enough for your support. I really appreciate you stopping in and subscribing. There's 2,433 as of this filming. And I'm over the moon about it. You know, I know there's channels out there with 19,000, 78,000. Listen, I'm a humble man. You know, for what I do, I can't, you know, thank you guys enough. So thank you all. And my channel member family, shout out as always. Thank you guys very much. Here's their names right now, as a matter of fact. If you're interested in becoming a channel member, it's that next level of support. It's $1.99 US a month. If you go to the Mr. G's Workbench homepage on YouTube, you'll see a join button. If you click that button, it's that simple. You'll join the channel member family, and your support would be greatly appreciated. As a matter of fact, I'll be discussing something in regards to the channel memberships in a moment. But again, thank you to my channel member family. Other than that, I would ask if you're watching this video, if you're watching any of my videos, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. I need those thumbs up because of the way YouTube pushes content out. The only way anybody else is going to see my content is if they decide that it's popular. And the only way to do that is to have a lot of interaction. That's why you always see people saying, like and subscribe, like and subscribe. If you like the video, just take 2 seconds out, give me a thumbs up. I'd very much appreciate it. We had a mail call recently, and I wanted to share that with you. 3 kits came in, all ordered at different times, and the way the shipping worked out, I got them all within a day of each other. So let me start out with the first one I received. And speaking of channel members, this kit is thanks to my channel member family. It's Kinetics F16C and 1/48 scale. This is the new Kinetic Gold boxing. The decals are by Cartograph. They were designed by Fightertown Decals. I'm really looking forward to building this. We're gonna do a build review of this. I'm gonna do this as one video, start to finish. So we're gonna be doing this in parallel with the F18D build that we've got going on. The next one I got, the next kit I received, the same day as the F16, I got this. It's Edwards Boxing. It's a twin pack of the A6M20. It's called 000. And the schemes in here are terrific. This was a lightning sale on Sprue Brothers. So I got this for like 49 bucks. Like if you're getting 2 full kits with photo etch, with decals and everything, 49 bucks, paint masks. I'm happy with that. So that'll be coming up at some point soon. And then the last one, last but definitely not least, I've been looking forward to this since I ordered it back in November. Andy's Hobby Headquarters was dropped the news back at the beginning of November that they were getting a container of Wingnut Wings kits. I have never owned a Wingnut Wings kit. And while I was watching the video of Andy announcing this, Mrs. G was sitting on the couch and she turned around and actually told me I should order one. If your wife tells you to order a model airplane, man, you order it. So that's what I did. And order I did. And this is what I got. I got the Duelist twin pack. It's the Halberstadt CL2. And the RE8 flown by Harry Tate in 1/32 scale. Man, am I looking forward to getting my fingers on this stuff. It's 2 kits. The packaging, the artwork, the instruction manuals are just incredible. Now I know what all the hubbub was. And I mean, honestly, if there's any left when I'm done with this, I might go back and order another one. So we'll see about that. But that will be up. You know what? I am probably going to do one of those when I'm done with the Hornet, just because, man, they just look so good. So that was mail call. It was those three. I've actually also got Tacom's the new AH-64. I got the E kit coming. I ordered it off of eBay. I'll probably see it in like 2 months if I'm lucky. So that's going to be coming as well. So that's what's going on. That was mail call. I just wanted to thank everyone out there. You all are great for supporting the channel. For some reason, I get like these waves. One of the F-18 videos, I got like 2,000 views inside of like, you know, less than a week. And then there's other times where I can't win for losing. So I don't know how the how this whole magical YouTube thing works. So if you could just bear that in mind, the more likes I get, the more comments I get, the more interactions. That's why you always see people saying like and subscribe. And, oh, what did you think of this? Leave a comment below. That's why they do it, because the more interaction you have, YouTube looks at that and says, that video is good. Everyone likes that. And then they push it out, you know, onto more screens. So, you know, if you can, I'd appreciate it. So there you have it. So the news is we're up over 2,400 subscribers. We're going to be doing the Kinetic F-16C as a review build. Thanks to my channel member family. So until the next time we get together, that's going to do it for today. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for subscribing. And thanks to my channel member family. I will see you guys in the next episode. Take care. Stay well.